Hey, a package came in.
That's right, guys. You heard it correct. The package was delivered. The battery cable is here. And I'm going to sit down, drink a beer. I'll catch you in the morning. We're headed up with some coffee bright and early. And we'll go get down on the install. There we go.
All right. Hey, this is Freddie Fred coming at you from Spirit Rider TV on D Live. Yes, D Live. It's a crypto social media platform. Let's just stick at that. You kind of have to buy in to play, but D Live's been pretty good to me. And so here we are back at the ranch. It's morning. We're drinking coffee. And my nice little starter's getting ready to go back in. And this one's a runner. I don't even need to put electric on it. I already know. But this is 6 volt, just so you know. This is 6 volt. You see this little thing right there? Yeah, that's all 6 volt. Now if we take a look right over here, I'll show you what some cleaning up I'm gonna do, okay?